Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So what I found here on the daily time frame is that we got a reversal uptrust. Basically, we had this uptrust and supply overcame demand yesterday. We can see that market respected again the 20 exponential moving average. This is like a third time in the last 20 days that market rejected aggressively of the 20 exponential moving average on the daily time frame. Today so far we have the rally, but this rally is not looking like a strong rally. We don't have any strong momentum going on this morning. So if we see the potential bear divergences on the lower frames, like a 15-30 minute time frame, or we see the signs of the weakness like a lower highs and lower lows, there is a chance for the retest of the previous day low at 1.2019 level, and maybe even potential for the price to go lower towards this range from 2 days ago, and the mid area of that is 1.1997, and the key support zone is set at 1.1930. So watch potential downside continuation due to the weak demand this morning on the pound and a reversal basically from yesterday. Speaking of the gold market, we had an outside day yesterday. So we had a lower low and higher high yesterday on the daily time frame. And market closed on the high, so market naturally went higher this morning. But from my perspective, I can see here in the hourly time frame that we have on the fast line here, we have a divergence. So if the market start to, if the market can back again into the previous day range and start to build some lower highs and lower lows on intra frames like a 15, 5 or 30 minute time frame, we might see rotation back, and maybe even the market can take 1823 again and attack this previous range, and maybe even 1820 or 1823. So potential bear divergence in creation, but again, it is early to say at this stage. We need to see the market to start with a sell-off or start to show some signs of weakness. There is also strong resistance around 1845 if the market will decide to go higher and keep with the upside moment. Speaking of the crude oil, we had yesterday market rejected of the 20 exponential moving average. Today we can see that market is trying to take this pin bar, and it's the pin bar high set at 77.63. There was a pullback, more like a bull flag, that already resolved, so at 76.50, and market already resolved it back into the previous day, almost at the previous day high. So we'll see how this area will, if the market can break and hold above 77.68, because if the market can hold above, there is a chance for test of 78.20, but for now it's just the market is trading into this pin bar territory from yesterday. Still on the weekly time frame, the crude oil is in a strong sideways regime, and it's in the middle of this trading range. So for anything bigger, I will for the bigger directional move, I would like to see the breakout of this very well defined multi-week trading range. Speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we had a flip to the upside and the market reacted higher of the previous day low. Going into the Tokyo session, we had this spike to the upside. If we check the weekly time frame, for example, we can see that market is sidewaysing. Last week was basically trading inside of the range from 2 weeks ago, and this week so far is very narrow and trading inside the previous week. So we have overall a sideways condition. And I would like to see the breakout. We have this resistance zone at 23,900. So if the market can break that and hold, it can open the door for back towards the 25,000. From other side, the market will back again into this trading range, and the key support zone, I will say, is set around 23,000 mark. Breaking to the 23,000 mark may indicate lower prices, maybe retest of 22,500, or even the price to back towards the 21,700 mark. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.